Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Iqra English School. This is your class 3rd NCERT book Looking Around, and today we are reading chapter number 6, Food We Eat. Are you watching the picture? Here some children are there and they are talking about their last night meal. This boy is telling, last night I ate a chapati made of bajra with jaggery. Means good. He is telling that he has taken last night the chapati made of bajra with jaggery. I cooked dal and rice. She is telling I cooked dal and rice. But this girl is telling yesterday no food was cooked in my house. This is a boy who is telling, I went to the Gurudwara with my grandmother for the langar. We ate dal and chapati. This girl is telling, Ammi had cooked kheer and puri, which I don't like, so I ate an omelette instead. So this girl is telling that she likes omelette beside kheer and puri. This girl is telling, my mother cooked fish. I ate lots of it. It was really tasty. She is telling that she has taken fish that she liked too much. This boy is telling, my mother brought noodles for us from the house where she worked. We enjoyed eating it. This boy is telling that he had taken noodles last night. What did you eat yesterday? Write it on the plate shown below. What have you eaten yesterday? You are to write the name of those food in this plate. So you can say mostly we take roti, sabzi, dal, egg, chicken, curd, milk, fruit, rice, etc. etc. We take in our meal. Here some questions are there. Now on the blackboard write the name of all the food items that you have written on your plate. So you are to write this name in your notebook. Did all the children in the class eat the same food items yesterday? Why? This is not possible that all the children take same type of food, because different child come from the different families. That is why the likes and dislikes are also different from the are likes and dislikes are also different of the children. You must have noticed that in the picture page number 36 there is one child is in whose house no food was cooked. What could be the reason? So you can say maybe the child family is too poor to afford times of meal in a day, and maybe the child's mother could be sick and hence could not cook food. Has it ever happened to you that on some day you were very hungry but there was nothing to eat? If yes, why? Of course, we can say sometimes it happens when we are hungry but we do not get anything. The reason could be, he said that one day the water supply was disturbed, so my mother was unable to cook food. How do you know that you are hungry? How do you know that you are hungry? When we are hungry, we get a feeling that the stomach is empty. How do you feel when you are hungry? How do you feel when you are hungry? So you can say that when we are hungry, we get a feeling that the stomach is empty. We get a strong sensation in stomach, which give the signal that we are hungry and we want to eat something very eagerly. There is a story of Vipul's family. In Vipul's family, there are some members who do not eat what Vipul eats. Do you think These people do not eat or cannot eat what Vipul eats. Let us read about Vipul's family. While running home from school, Vipul bought a bhutta corn cob. He reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Chutki? I want to see her." His mother replied, "Chutki is in the room upstairs." Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come upstairs with me." His mother stopped him. "I have soaked bas chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal." "Have you put sugar in the dal after coming to Nagpur? You have forgotten our own way to making food," said Dadi to Vipul's mother. "I have tasted the dal. It has been prepared well," replied Vipul's mother. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly. "When I was your age, I could run up a hill in the same time," said Dadi. Vipul gave the bhutta he was eating to his mommy, washed his hands, and lifted little Chutki. Suddenly, Chutki started crying. "She is hungry," said mommy. She sat down and fed Chutki.